Hey guys, welcome back to BA Performance. Today we're doing something a little different, not really working on cars or anything. We're going to do a little science experiment. Science.
It is an experiment, and there is science behind it that we don't understand at all.
Exactly.
You can trust us.
And you probably won't learn much.
No.
Maybe something.
We are experienced.
Experienced.
Science says us. Yeah. Yes, experience.
So what we're going to do is, we got a few items here, and we're going to put battery acid on them, or put them in battery acid, and see what kind of reactions and stuff we get. So, what kind of stuff we got here, Matt?
Mainly junk, garbage. Let's see here. So we got a golf ball.
Golf ball, yeah.
Rubber cork. Well, I think it's like a rubber composite. A little rubber gasket. A little scrubbing brush. Got to have a Jolly Rancher. Some aluminum welding wire or soldering wire?
Yeah, like TIG wire.
TIG wire. Leather keychain with some keys. Rock. Bottle cap. The foot of a destroyed dog toy. Yeah. Yeah. So you gotta have that.
Yeah. Basically, it's like some fluff and
yeah, it's just stuffed animal,
cloth.
basically.
Yeah, stuffed animal, yeah.
A little bit of salt here. Wink, wink. No.
No, that's definitely rock
real
salt. Yeah,
real salt.
Real salt.
You know, some race cars. And we got some odds and ends metal here.
Yeah, I got some like bolts, maybe a little piece of brass, a penny, a spark plug.
And then, you know, we're going to give Doodle Bob here a good old
a little bath.
Yeah. We got some styrofoam we'll probably break up and throw into one of them. See what it does.
Yeah.
But yeah, so we're going to kind of sort some things out, and then we'll probably start pouring some acid, and then we'll also, you know, add some things afterwards.
A little bath bomb for them.
I think the bottle cap can go in here. This.
Should we take the keys off of that one and just put the leather in there?
Oh, yeah.
We got other metal stuff in there, and that'll kind of sit a little flatter then. And we could put the salts in with Doodle Bob, so then it's like a bath salts in there.
Golf ball.
Rubber stuff.
Let me put that in there. And this in there?
Yeah.
This.
What is it? Oh yeah, that go in there.
Okay. And yeah, we'll add those in after.
Okay.
Alright.
Alright.
What happened to those gloves?
A little bit of baking soda for precautionary reasons.
Alright, let's see what starts happening.
Okay, what are we going to start with?
We'll
Cars?
start. Actually, I'm going to start on the other side. I think it'll be easier for me to pour over here.
Okay, so we got golf balls and grommets in this one. This is the leather and dog toy or plush toy or.
No, that's full. That's a real dog foot.
A real dog foot, yeah.
Metal odds and ends.
This will be interesting. I want to know if it like eats the rust off of them.
I'm sure on some of this stuff to a degree.
That
Nice
one's
anything
empty.
in there.
Now we got toy cars.
Get it in there.
Pour it
Right in
there.
the windows.
Okay. This is there's a zip tie in there and a cleaning brush. Now we got Doodle Bob. Pour it, yeah, right on. Let's see. Oh. I kind of thought it would wash the marker right off of them.
Me too. What do we want to add more to?
Go more to this one and more to the golf ball one. And more to the leather one if you got enough in there. Maybe more to the leather one before the golf ball. And Doodle Bob. There's also some like sticks for arms and legs, so there's wood in there. Oh yeah, and that Jolly Rancher.
Got a little bit left here.
I see some reaction happening in this one.
It's probably the reaction to the coatings and the rust.
Yeah.
Well, less the rust, more the coatings.
Interesting.
Yeah, a little more. What do we want to add to?
Cars. Yeah, they're fully submerged now. I see some reaction happening to that orange one.
Oh, yeah. All right.
Okay. So a little bit of salt for the salt bath.
Salt bomb or bath bomb.
No instant reaction there, really. A little bit of bubbles, but well, that one's kind of bubbling pretty good.
Would you get a little styrofoam to maybe this one?
Which one?
This one with the plastics?
Yeah, that's a good idea. You can kind of stir it up in there too, maybe. Ah, yes. And now we wait. This one is
That one's probably the most reactive.
pretty bubbly. I don't know. This one's pretty reactive too, though.
Yeah, but you see how this one's like changing color already? It's
Oh,
eating
yeah.
something off that's
Yeah, it's definitely eating something off
changing
of that
its
one.
colors.
Yeah, so we'll check back in maybe a few hours, maybe tomorrow, and then we're gonna let this stuff sit for a couple weeks
Might as well, yeah. I mean,
and see what happens. So we will be checking in and out as we go here.
oh yeah. I didn't hear.
All right, guys, it's like, I don't know, 20 hours later or so. That one, nothing's really happening. Doodle Bob is deeper in the water. The salt chunks are pretty much just dissolved.
I think the dye is coming off of that leather. And
Yeah, this
The
one's
foot
kind of looking brown in the water there, or the acid actually. The metal doohickeys, that one there looks like most of the rust is kind of just falling off of it. Nothing happened to the bottle cap or the penny. It's kind of interesting. The race cars or car toys have turned into dark soup.
yeah, muck of some sort.
Yeah, this will be interesting to see what comes of that.
I think that's what the dinosaurs got stuck in.
Yeah, exactly. And the one with this like brush and piece of styrofoam seems to have done nothing.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're gonna let this go for quite a while yet and see what happens.
More science.
Super interested about this one. All right, guys, we're back. It's roughly a month later.
3 weeks, I think.
Oh, 3 weeks. Okay, so
It's still 3-4 weeks,
yeah,
whatever.
plenty of time in the acid. So let's start digging into this stuff and see what's left.
Yup. Where do you want to start?
Let's start with this one here. So yeah, we got a brush in there, which was like steel and some kind of plastic.
Seems to be fine.
Yeah, nothing really changed on that.
Styrofoam seems to be fine too, but we
Yeah.
are missing something in here.
Yeah, there was a zip tie in there, right?
I don't see any evidence of there being a zip tie.
Pull that
in
out
here.
and set her on the cloth there so we can examine her a little closer here. Yeah, nothing seemed to change with that.
This is still just as tough as it was before.
The styrofoam has not changed at all.
But there is no evidence of a zip tie in there anymore.
The zip tie is fully dissolved. It is gone.
Alright, what do you want to do next?
Let's do Doodle Bob there, huh?
Doodle Bob? Doodle Bob held up pretty well.
How soggy is he, though?
Oh! Well, that wasn't in there real well to start
Yeah.
with. It's pretty soggy. I don't think I'm going to take him out, though.
Yeah, he's not falling apart, though, huh? Oh, there's another pair of pliers here. You grab one end, I'll grab the other end. We'll just see if he, like, falls apart or anything.
I don't think he will.
Oh, yeah, he's pretty
No,
tough.
it's still a sponge.
Yeah. Let's just... Oh, he's going to be drippy.
Just leave him inside there.
Alright, we'll turn this way out of the way a little bit. So the salt that was in there
Yeah, that's
is also pretty much gone, huh?
just like the dirt that was left over
Yeah.
in it, I think.
The Jolly Rancher, too. I mean, the wrapper is perfectly fine.
Yeah. Weirdly enough, when the zip tie actually dissolved, look, it's full of acid.
It's full of acid. Oh, I'm gonna squeeze it. Oh, it replaced Jolly Rancher with acid. It's a little pink.
Yeah.
I thought that was maybe from the marker, but I bet that's from the Jolly Rancher.
Yeah, because the marker's fine. Like, it doesn't even
Yeah.
wipe off.
Huh.
Weirdly
Marker's
enough.
fine.
It is. How is permanent marker more permanent in acid than it is on anything else?
Right?
Let's take a look at this one, huh?
Yeah.
Our rubber stopper here is fine. Nothing came of this.
It's not soft or nothing?
No.
No, yeah, that's fine.
Golf ball, fine.
Golf ball, no effect.
Same with the rubber grommet, fine. Rock, fine.
Oh. Nothing happens to that stuff in the acid,
No.
huh? Alright, dig into that one. The acid has turned brown. Is that from the dirty, this thing I'm surprised is as intact as it is.
Right. Maybe throw that in with Doodle Bob or something.
Does not seem to be falling apart or nothing. Is it too deep to pinch that one out?
I think I'll get it.
It's got to be
I
somewhat
had it.
decayed, huh?
It's not that bad.
Or just acid washed. Oh, it's kind of greener than it was, huh?
Yeah, I don't
There's
really
like-
think that did anything too much to it. Probably
No detail.
took
Grab
off.
onto it and pull on it a little bit once. I want to see if it's like tough yet. Oh yeah, she's still tough.
Mm-hmm.
Interesting. Okay, the metal stuff. That thing's like frozen and brown from the rust that's probably in there from the other things, huh?
Yeah, here's the bolt. No different, really.
No, but this spark plug is. It took all the carbon off of it and all the rust.
Yep. It almost looks new.
That thing is clean.
I'm surprised nothing more happened with the bottle cap.
Yeah, it's not, the paint's not coming off or nothing there. All the rust came off of this.
Mm-hmm. You can still see the rust on the top of this bolt because it wasn't fully submerged.
Oh yeah, that one there.
But if we look at the bottom end of it,
Oh yeah, wow, that cleaned it right up.
there's still a little bit of rust.
Yeah. What else we got in here? Oh, another bolt there.
These brass bushings, which doesn't look like it did anything to them.
Yeah, it really cleans the bolts up pretty nice though.
Yeah. Not that I would reuse them.
Yeah. Or use this as a tactic for cleaning bolts, but I'm surprised that this one hasn't changed though, but I think that's like a flywheel bolt, so it might be harder or something.
Yeah.
Okay, now let's do the cars. This is interesting because it changed to like soup for sure. Maybe can you like rinse it off in there in this one? Oh, it's too big for that. What the heck happened?
Look at the inside though, it's gone.
Oh yeah. Whoa! Whatever was on the inside of that just melted away.
I can't even see how to pick this one up.
And nothing happened to that one.
No.
What the heck?
That one seems perfectly intact, just full of the goop from the other one.
So weird. The windows are there? Yeah, windows are fine. That's really weird, guys. So really the biggest thing that happened is I guess the zip tie is gone. The inside of this thing is gone, and there's like, actually it ate through the metal there. Look at that.
Yeah,
There's
it did
holes.
start to. I see that now.
There's holes right in the hood. And in the back. Whatever this was made out of is, it definitely was reacting. Cheap metal or something. That's crazy. If you guys
Put it on that
know.
one. We'll leave it in that one for a while longer.
Alright, we'll leave her in there for a little while. Maybe the thing will totally dissolve.
It's about the only thing that's like still kind of reactive.
Yeah. Yeah, because this turned into some weird, it almost looks thick.
Yeah.
A lot of paint in there.
And then that dissolved plastic that was the inside of it must have been made out of like kind of the same materials that zip tie.
Yeah.
That's all I can imagine.
Alright guys, thanks for watching, and stay tuned in the future. Maybe we'll see what happens to that car.
Yeah.
We're going to let it sit in there for a while yet.
Might not make another episode on it or anything.
Yeah,
but,
we got some cool stuff coming up for the summer. And yeah, peace out.
Broadcast performance is what it stands for.